So yeah, I bought this PC back in November 2021. So it's been 6 months now since I had this PC. So if y'all new to my channel, I do monthly updates on the Skytech Blaze following other videos. So if y'all interested, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Alright, let's go. So this PC, I got it now for 6 months and I only got a minor problem with it. Link is in description. But other from that, it's been working great. It be running smoothly. It be playing my games good. I had no problem with it. No overheating issues. Only like when I'm playing my games, it's gonna heat up a little bit, but it's not a problem like it's overheating. It's working very good. Yeah, and there is no stuttering issues like when I'm playing my games. My games are playing smoothly, no problems. Only one problem, as I said before, and the link is in the description. Y'all should check that video out if y'all want to know what the problem was. But yeah, I can't complain. I don't have no problem with it. So hopefully this video help y'all. As I said, it's a monthly update video. So hopefully this video help y'all. And if y'all interested in buying the Skytech Blaze 3.0, I guarantee y'all should buy it. There's gonna be no problem. So I bought it for 6 months now. It's been working good. So if y'all want it, make sure y'all buy it. And stay tuned for more content like this. I do monthly updates on this. I'm gonna show some Warzone highlights of me playing the game. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Like, share, and subscribe, and watch this video.